So, you've got a job interview lined up, or you've been asked to give a presentation at work. Great. And then it starts: the butterflies, the racing heart, the sweaty palms. Most people think, I'm so nervous. But wait, try this instead. I'm excited. That fluttery feeling? It's the same physical response. Your body is gearing up for something important. So why label it as fear when you can label it as excitement? I'm excited for this opportunity. I'm excited to show what I can do. Now that energy feels powerful instead of scary. So prepare well. Dress and groom confidently. Have your research and materials ready. Walk in with a friendly smile and that excited mindset. Will it guarantee the job? Maybe. Will it guarantee the best presentation your workplace has ever seen? Possibly. But it will help people see you at your best. Remember, everyone feels nervous before important moments. Now you have a way to turn it into your advantage.